Greetings, 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 everyone. I'm just clearing space right now. With some Dragon's Blood Sage. And I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just clearing the space right now with some Dragon's Blood Sage. So we can read properly and accurately and heal properly and accurately. Please place your arms down to your sides. Thank you. You want to let everything flow. So you don't want to cross any arms or legs to allow flowing. It's gonna take. We're gonna be working with a rose quartz pendulum, as you can see. This is what we're going to be working with. A rose quartz pendulum. So first, you want to know how the pendulum speaks to you. It's preferred to put the pendulum in the hand of receiving. Since I'm right-handed, I will be putting it in my left hand. And that's the hand I'm going to put it in now. One second. Just getting everything still prepared. And I'm just coming in 1 second. Give me a second, guys. Having a little malfunction right now. I'm not understanding what's going on with my phone. But let me put some music on to relax her. And be ready in 1 second. Okay, so I put it in my receiving hand. And we can start here. So when the pendulum is going like over the heart, it's over the heart chakra, over her heart, her center, her heart chakra. And when it tells you it's not blocked, it makes like a clockwise motion. You can see it starting to do that now. And I'm not manipulating it in any kind of way. It's telling you that everything is flowing and everything is moving fine in her heart center. And it's going, like it's going and going and going. So that's beautiful. So what I do, I lift it up so it can stop. And now it stopped moving. Put it over the solar plexus and allow it to do what it needs to do. And it's not going in the full circle right now. It's going up and down and sideways. So it's telling you that she has a blockage here. And it actually stopped on its own. So we're going to go to the sacral. And it's flowing. The energy is flowing here. Nice and healthy. And it's flowing. That's beautiful. It's going really, like really the clockwise, so that's really great. Okay, so then we go to the root. And we have a blockage here because it's going up and down. And that's not the way that we wanted to go, so we're going to move to the communication center, to the throat. There we go. Thank you. It's flowing nicely. Look at that. Talking about she has no issues with communication. Look at that. Nice and healthy. So then we'll go to your mind's eye. Okay, and that's really open. That's great for someone so young, for there to be no blockages there. And this is your crown. Okay, so we have blockages here as well. So her main blockages was in, remember, her crown chakra and her solar plexus chakra. That's where her blockages were. No, her sacral, excuse me, her sacral and her crown. So the way that I like to heal is to inform her to imagine a big ball, like a big golden ball at her feet, and imagine it rising up in each chakra point. So what I would like to do is put the pendulum, her eyes is closed right now, but I'll put the pendulum over so she can feel my energy. And when I say the colors, then she will know where the ball is hitting, her chakra points, and I can just tell her. The color red is her root chakra. We didn't have any blockages there, but you're going to imagine a big ball of energy there, just healing, empowering you and guiding you and just healing you and making you feel nice and at ease and then relaxed. Then you want to go up to your sacral and you want to take that big ball with the color orange and you want to allow it to spin that color. You want to spin that chakra. You want to imagine it spinning, slowly, in the area where you can feel this energy at. And you see how the pendulum is still going crazy, how it wants to go over this area. It's going up and down and sideways and all kinds of ways. So just imagine a ball of light sitting there and healing you. Now it's slowing down and it's going clockwise the way we want it to go. Starting to slow down. Good job. You're doing amazing. So then we will go up to your solar plexus. And it literally just stopped. I moved it from one place to another. And I guess it just it reads the energy of her aura. And it tells you what you need to know. And it's completely healthy here, so it's just going to go in a nice, complete clockwise motion. I have it. Sorry. Yes. Very nice. And you still can imagine that ball of light coming up and healing you. You don't have to spin it here. You can just imagine it healing and allowing you to feel all the empowerment and light and guidance that you need. Then we go to your heart center. I like to call it your center. Some people call it your heart chakra. I like to call it your center. And it's really going in a nice clockwise motion, so we know it's flowing healthy and there's no disease or anything here, or anything that's, not allowing her heart to be open and open to receive or anything like that, or to give or anything. It's very open. So that's a good thing. We're going to move up to the throat chakra. And you want to take that ball of light and move from the green to the blue. allow it to feel. So your communication always flows. So you can comprehend and articulate yourself the way you need to. And in a manner in which you need to. Then you're going to go up to her mind's eye. We absolutely had no blockages here. We'll let it get into the aura. I love how it just stops and it pauses and it seems like it's just reading her and then it starts moving on its own. I love that. You know, when we're working with energy, you just have to be patient. So it's clear here, like her mind's eye is open and it's flowing and it's healthy. Open to receive, open to gain, open to access, open to use. When we go to your crown, this was a little blocked before. And it's still blocked, so you're bringing that ball of energy up through your mind's eye. Because it's going all over the place. I believe that she's experiencing confusion because she is so young. So just breathe and bring the ball up to your crown of your head and allow it to get that beam of purple light and spin it very, very slowly. Very, very good job. And you see how the pendulum starts to open her up. You see how it's telling you that she's opening up because it's going in a clockwise motion and it's becoming healthy and it's not going crazy anymore. So that was Reiki, basically Reiki healing, and we got our pendulums from Phoenix Adornment on Facebook. But this is a method of healing, and we have frankincense burning right now. And I just want to say thank you to all who tuned in. Please ask questions, like, comment, and share. And I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace, blessings, Yuguru, and Sankofa.